Hi, I'm back. Let's make some dumplings today.
This recipe for the dough is rather simple and straightforward. We're only using flour, water and salt, and at this point you just mix everything together. I like to use chopsticks for the first part of mixing, so not everything is stuck to your hand. Once your dough becomes lumps like this, I will start using my hand to mix the dough. I'm using my palm to put everything together and mix until there's nothing stuck to the bowl. I use corn in this recipe because it's like very easy. You just pop it out of the can and you can use it. And it also gives the dumpling a little bit of crunch, a little bit of sweetness, and it's very tasty. The seasoning I'm using here is not very traditional for this type of dumplings, but it tastes good and works for me, so. Now everything is inside the bowl, we can start mixing. It will actually be more smart to season the meat and mix it first before adding in the veggies, in this case the corn. And the point of mixing here is to emulsify the fat with the meat so it stays juicy after cooking.
So my mom taught me basically you want to do 100 times clockwise and mix it 100 times anti-clockwise. So it's now just the time to put in the elbow grease and mix it very well until it's like almost emulsified. And you have some really tender and juicy filling.
After resting for about 30 minutes, your dough should be more well hydrated now. And now we can knead it for a minute or two until it's completely smooth. and let it rest for another 15 minutes. Take your dough out, make a hole in the middle like a donut, stretch it a little bit and tear it so you have a log. Roll it out like this and try to make the thickness consistent. Portion it like this, and now each cube would be one dumpling. Roll it out so it's thin and round. Now hold the skin in one hand and only thin out the edge. And now do this 10 more times until you have all the skins. The wrapping part is actually the fun part for me. Remember to put less filling than you thought you'll need. Fold it in half, pinch the top, and fold the top layer of each side of the skin toward the center. This dipping sauce is pretty simple. You can actually use whatever you like as a dipping sauce. Some people actually prefer like straight up vinegar, and someone would like dip it to just chili oil. So the trick of boiling dumpling is you have a pot of boiling water. You put the dumplings in and wait till it comes to boil again. Now pour in a cup or a bowl of cold water. Repeat this 2 more times, so in a total 3 times, and you'll get the perfectly cooked dumplings.